Samsung Green DDR3 30nm class. Memory has historically been a large user of energy. Going forward, memory will account for an increasingly larger piece of the power usage pie as demand soars, due to new paradigm shifts such as virtualization and cloud computing. Servers consume a lot of power. In fact, more than all the televisions in the United States combined. The need to lower the power envelope in data centers is increasing daily. One critical step is to reduce the unnecessary power drain from memory. This becomes even more important as memory density increases and becomes a greater percentage of overall power consumption. The most advanced memory technology today has enormous potential for reducing energy waste. In fact, Samsung's 30nm class 4GB DDR3 can cut power consumption by 86% when compared to today's conventional memory server solutions. Measurements show that 48GB of memory in a server built with 60nm class 1GB 1.8V DDR2 consumes about 102 watts of power, whereas the same server built with Samsung 30nm class 4GB 1.35V memory uses only 14 watts. This means that at a component level, Samsung is able to deliver technology that consumes less than 0.29 watts per gigabit of memory, as opposed to the 2 watt per gigabit of memory in systems widely used today. At the server system level, power can be cut by 44% by reducing power usage from 390 watts to just 220 watts. This makes Samsung's 30nm class DDR3 the most energy-efficient memory produced today. Saving 44% at the server level equates to significant total cost of ownership benefits in the enterprise space. By using Samsung Green DDR3, a data center can increase its server resources 80% without having to increase its power budget. And using Samsung Green DDR3 will allow data centers to place 9 servers on a single 2000 watt rack instead of 5. These savings become even more significant when factoring in the operating costs. For example, in a 1000 server data center, only 112 racks would be needed instead of 200, cutting overhead costs by more than $60,000. These savings can make a huge difference, particularly if more and more data centers join the movement to bring about energy savings and operational efficiency. If every server in the world used Samsung Green DDR3 memory, 95.3 trillion watt-hours of electricity would be saved, while carbon dioxide emissions would be reduced to a level equivalent to taking more than 13 million cars off the road, or eliminating the need for 18 coal plants, or heating an additional 8.3 million U.S. homes. That would drop CO2 emissions annually by 68 million tons, which is the equivalent to adding 1.75 million trees to the Earth. So why not look into Samsung Green DDR3, not only to greatly reduce costs and improve data center operational efficiency, but also to help save the environment.